Give me the clap. Okay, you guys, today, because everyone loved our bread videos so much, we're gonna make, I'm just kidding, we're gonna make a dessert, something that I've eaten every night after dinner this past week. Because they're small. They're super perfect. They're like a fancier version of a Reese's peanut butter cup. But they're so easy to make. And it's in Akhtar Nawab's cookbook. Oprah Magazine approved.
She did like that.
She loved it! I mean, if anything's like Oprah approved, we know it's like, yeah. Okay. I can tell the chef wants to get down to business.
Let's get going.
Okay.
Too much time.
Step one.
Okay. Chocolate, dark chocolate, right? 70%.
70%. Got it.
Coconut oil. Oat milk or almond milk or regular milk or cream, whatever you want. Oat milk.
Oat milk. Okay.
Okay. So put this on the double boiler. Don't burn yourself.
Okay, I will tell you guys that when we made them this week, I just plopped this in the microwave. That's okay.
It's gonna take a few minutes. Just over simmering water.
Oh, wow. So, how much more do we need?
A little more. It should be pourable.
This is good.
So now what do? We just leave it over the simmering water?
Yeah, we'll turn it off.
Okay.
We'll just let it here for a second.
So now what do?
Unsweetened peanut butter.
Okay.
Or almond butter.
Wow, see, the best thing about this recipe is if you don't have something, you can just substitute.
Yeah, the book is actually almond butter, but you like peanut butter.
I do like peanut butter because I like the crunch.
Maple syrup.
Okay.
We did this, I think we did with agave, but this tastes better.
Why? The maple syrup?
Mhm.
Okay.
Tastes better.
Okay.
Coconut flour.
Okay.
Have you ever used coconut flour?
No.
So it's very intense. It binds things very well. So it's very, it just really firms things up. So just a little bit of water will make this very, very strong.
Pasty?
Yeah, it's just really a strong binder. That's a lot of flavor of coconut flour. If you want even more flavor of coconut, you can toast it.
Toast what? The flour?
Coconut flour, yeah.
Wow. So you can toast it like you toast
Spices.
spices.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now we can make your. No?
Oh.
You can make your little peanut butter. Right?
So we're gonna make little balls
Mm-hmm.
because this is gonna go inside
Mm-hmm.
the thing.
Yeah.
Oh crap.
No, it's too big.
This is only supposed to make 12 and we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So something tells me that your balls are actually too small.
It's because the cups are actually small. That's why. So in the book, the cups are bigger.
Hmm.
I mean, it seems like you think you know a lot about this.
Do we have to put these in here?
Yeah, 2 per. So it's good if you have like a muffin tin or something. You don't have that. You put a little dollop. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Like so.
Very nice. Would you like me to try?
Yeah. Do you want to do it?
Yeah, I'd like to do a few. I'd like people to see my expertise.
But you're not doing like I was doing. Why don't you try doing it like I did, where you just kind of hold the
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, that's much easier. Wow, that looks much better.
Okay, so then
Okay.
take this, press a little bit.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Yep. So the best part about this is you can just add a little more milk and just keep heating it up, right?
Yeah, I mean, some of the things in the book are particular with the ingredients, you know, so we're using oat milk, almond milk. So it is like, the book is pretty specific in that way, but you can change certain things. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Are you just eating everything?
What? Wait, what? So let me finish my little ones. Oops. I don't know, you're really watching me very closely and it's kind of stressing me out. Is that good? Oh God, I'm overheating. I feel very stressed that you're... Oh, that was a nice one.
Okay, so we gotta move a little faster.
Okay.
Yeah, just take it like this and just drop it down
Oh, yeah.
like that. You have to like throw it, just like drop it gently, It just evens down a little bit.
Whose do you think are better?
Mine.
You didn't even hesitate! I love this part.
Like this part.
Oh,
Can I show you one?
yeah. I'm such a glutton for salt that even when I eat this at the end of the night, I add more sea salt. Yay! Okay, now what?
In the fridge.
Alright, you guys.
Thank you.
The moment of truth. We're gonna eat the goods. Would you like to try one of the ones I made? Oh my gosh, wait, pause. The moment of truth.
Yours. But anyway, they all look kind of the same.
They do. I actually think people would be impressed to know that that was one of mine. All right, you guys. 11:30 a.m. Sunday morning. Let's do it. Oh, you did give me one. Normally, at night I cut it into 8 pieces, really tiny pieces, so it lasts longer.
It looks just fine.
Woo! You ready? Cheers, Akhtar Nawab. No, take a big old bite. People like to see the bite. Oh my God. Akhtar Nawab. Ooh.
Oh, it's actually taste the coconut flour, right? Can you taste it?
Oh yeah. Ooh, really
It's a
good.
good element. Yeah. Okay.
Akhtar Nawab.
For not being a chef, you're particularly bossy.
Akhtar Nawab, we did
All
it
done.
again.
All done.
I feel like we were able to make these little puppies in like what, 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, they go faster.
I feel like you should actually, like, getting a full flavor.
Show me your teeth.
A little sprinkles though.
Good.
Yeah!
Okay. Hold on. Since I'm the talent, you do the cleanup, right? Isn't that how it usually works?
You're the chef.
Yeah, I'm the talent. Without me, there'd be no show.